अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं इसका मतलब आप ऑलरेडी पर्पल से शॉपिंग करते हैं एंड अगर नहीं करते इसका मतलब यू आर मीनिंग टू बाय फ्रॉम पर्पल। अगर आपने अभी तक साइन अप नहीं किया है पर्पल के ऊपर तो करना भी मत बिना ये वीडियो देखे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Nostalgia. And if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Nikita Gupta. I make beauty and lifestyle content right here on my channel. So if you are into beauty or lifestyle, do consider subscribing to my channel. You won't regret it, I promise. Before stating anything, let me tell you guys one thing, that this is not a sponsored video at all. So this is something new that clicked in my mind and I thought to share with you guys. So recently on Purple they were having their sale, which is I Love Beauty sale. So in that sale a lot of brands were having a lot of discounts going on, and Blue Heaven, which is a very known affordable brand, was having a sale of buy two get two free. And I have been meaning to buy these lipsticks. These are Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color lipsticks from a long time. So I got this opportunity to get them on a very cheaper rate. So I thought why not to get them. So I got 4 of these products for just 200 bucks. Like seriously, सिर्फ 200 रुपए में. Although this one lipsticks cost 105 rupees. So अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑल दैट कैलकुलेशन ये ऑलमोस्ट 450 का सामान है जो कि मुझे सिर्फ 200 रुपये में मिला है. बट मैंने 200 भी पूरे पे नहीं किए. आई गॉट मोर डिस्काउंट. आई टेल यू हाउ. Along with these, I also ordered this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in this shade 20 Sand. So the real price of this concealer is 475, but on sale this was for 333 rupees, which is again a very big discount. So if we calculate the actual price of all these products, so it comes around 915 rupees, close to 1000. I know, very expensive, but with sale I got them for like 590 something. I'll show you the card bill right here. Don't take me wrong, it's not at all like I am lying. So ये सब कुछ मुझे आई थिंक 590 का पड़ा, बट मैंने उसमें भी डिस्काउंट लिया. सो एज यू ऑल नो देर आर सो मैनी कूपन्स दैट पर्पल हैज़. द गेट 100 इज ऑलवेज live on Purple. So the first order for these customers has definitely more and more coupon codes and more discounts. So I'll tell you all the discounts later on. There is this system of refer and earn. So my friend is also a very frequent shopper on Purple, so she gave me her refer code. So with that code, when I signed up, I got 100 free rupees in my Purple wallet. I used that 100 rupees and I got all of these. That cuts off from 590 to 490. Now there are some more discounts. Wait for it. So once I was done with this and I was about to pay my bill, I got this coupon code thingy and I searched for coupons. So I did tried some coupons from Google since Purple was not showing me any coupon code, and from that I got to know about Get 100 and I used that and I got all of these products in 414 rupees. So ये कंसीलर ही 475 का है एंड मुझे 414 में ये सब कुछ मिल गया. आई मीन that's such a big deal and great deal. Now you can't really go and search for people ki yaar please refer me. I am making that for you guys. This is not any affiliated code, like the brand is not sponsoring me. Purple is not giving me anything from this. So this is my refer code. So if you want that free 100 rupees in your Purple wallet, you can use this code and get 100. Even I will get that 100 rupees for the only first order. Now you have the code, you refer it to all of your friends, explain them what I did or share this video with them. Tell them to sign up as well. As I bought all of these for 915, which is more than 600 rupees, I was able to use that 100 rupees. So all you have to do is buy anything for I think 599 or more than that and you're good to use that 100 rupees. Yes, that's simple. You cannot use it like 50 पहले 50 बाद में. You have to use the 100 का 100 पूरा. So आपको इतना ही करना है. मैं एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने मेरा कोड लिया, आपने खुद साइन अप किया. आप जैसे ही साइन अप करोगे आपके अकाउंट में 100 रुपी आ जाएगा एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ योर बिलिंग, जब आपने 600 का शॉपिंग किया होगा, यू कैन यूज़ दैट 100 रुपी, अप्लाई कूपन कोड और चीप हो जाएगा सब कुछ। तो अगर आपको बहुत सारा कुछ खरीदना है लाइक मेकअप, तो आपको ऑलमोस्ट 1500 तक का सामान 600-700 में मिल जाएगा आराम से। अगर सेल नहीं है, वेट फॉर द सेल। कूपन नहीं है, सर्च करो यार, कूपन्स आर लाइक रियली इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन। गूगल हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कूपन कोड्स ऑलवेज गोइंग ऑन, सो ट्राई हिट एंड ट्राई मेथड यूज़ करो। कोई भी कूपन डाल के देखो, पक्का कुछ ना कुछ चलेगा उसमें, कुछ नहीं तो 50-60 का तो डिस्काउंट मिल ही जाएगा। Always check for a better discount. Do a hit and trial method with your coupon code. Try applying 5 to 6 coupon code, एक ना एक पक्का लग जाएगा। Third is make sure to use a refer code. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही कि मेरा refer code यूज़ करो, किसी का भी यूज़ करो, किसी अपने फ्रेंड का यूज़ कर लो, किसी का भी। Always use a refer code. Refer others so that you can also get money and they can also get money. The only agenda of Purple is that they can sell their products. You want to get a better discount. That's it. Fourth is pick up your better and perfect shade. Don't go for any random shade. The sixth one is buy the product that you need, that you want, and not because they have a discount. Because ऐसा कई बार होता है कि लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स ले लेते हैं जो कि एक्सपेंसिव है बहुत ज़्यादा, बट सिंस उसमें कुछ डिस्काउंट है, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको 900 रुपये का एक लिप बाम का बॉक्स दे दिया है एंड आपको 900 रुपये में उन्होंने डिस्काउंट दे दिया 400 रुपये का, तो यूल बी लाइक योर 400 का डिस्काउंट है, हम बाकी के 500 लगा के लिप बाम खरीद लेते हैं। Doesn't make sense. It's a lip balm. So I hope you guys like this video and this idea about refer code. I haven't seen any other YouTuber doing this. I hope this will be helpful for you guys. There is no compulsion for you to use my refer code. If you want to use it. If you don't want to use, don't use it. बिल्कुल भी ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है, so it's up to you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, like, share and comment to my channel. Meet you guys soon. Bye. My God guys, I'm really sorry for this shadow. ये कभी आ रहा है जा रहा है।